Good evening, everyone. I'm Siddharthini Nayak, and currently I'm doing a data science and business analytics internship at the Sparks Foundation. And here I've completed the task 1, where we have to predict a student's score based on the number of hours he or she studies per day. So here I have first imported the required packages, which are like the matplotlib.pyplot library, numpy library, sklearn.linear model library, and pandas library. And next here I have using the pd.read CSV function, I have read the CSV file and stored it as a data frame in df variable. And here, as we can see, the first 5 rows of the data frame, this is the number of hours a student studies and the corresponding scores he or she obtains. And then I've extracted the hours column from the data frame and stored it in X, and the scores column from data frame and stored it in Y. So here I have plotted a line. I have drawn a line plot between x and y. But from this plot, we cannot get a clear understanding of the relationship between x and y. So below, I have again plotted a scatter plot between x and y. And from this plot, we can know that there exists a positive correlation between x and y. It means that if a student studies for more hours a day, then he or she can score more marks. Then I have splitted the data set into train and test set using the train test split function from sklearn model selection library. I have given the test size as 20% of the total data size of the data set, and then I have reshaped all of them into a 2D arrays because there is only one feature and one label. So all these here are 1D array. Using the reshape function, I have made them as 2D arrays. So now here I have built the model using the linear regression mod function. Here I have given the fit intercept as true, which means that the intercept will be calculated while training the data, and normalize also as true. It means that the input data or the feature will first be normalized and then it will be trained. Then I have fitted the model by passing it the train features and the train labels. Then I have in ypred variable I have stored the predicted labels by passing xtest to model.predict. Then I have converted ypred to a 2D array. Here I have plotted the coefficient of the model. Like here there is, since only one feature, so there is only one coefficient. Then I have plotted the best fit line here which is the red color line, and since all the data points are falling near the best fit line, we can say that a model performance is quite good. Now here I have calculated the mean absolute error between the predicted value and the actual test values, and the mean absolute error is coming out to be 4.87, which is acceptable. And then finally I have calculated the score of a student if he or she studies for 9.25 hours per day, and the predicted score is 93.45. Thank you.